Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. I will leave the tips and the ingredients and the measurements and everything in the description. In most of my videos, I am using the H320 juicer. We are using ingredients that I love to typically use in my green juices. And we're using some pear, using some cucumber, and yes, I leave the skin, but of course you don't have to leave the skin if you don't want to. I'm using some lemon, I'm using some green apple, I'm using some fennel, and I'm using some celery. Okay, I'm going to take the pear, I'm going to take the fennel, I'm going to take the green apple, the lemon, the celery, and the cucumber. All right, and we are going to go ahead and juice this up. All right, and I know that this has to be about a good 20 ounces or more. Let's see. Okay, and this is exactly a good 20 ounces, so we are going to go ahead and try a little bit of this lovely juice. I know I've tried all of these juices about several times, so I know what it tastes like, but we'll try it together. Okay, and we have our lovely green juice, and remember we had fennel and celery and green apple and lemon and cucumber. We have all of those lovely ingredients. Oh, and pear. Okay, so let's try it. It's very light, and you can taste the pear and celery. You can taste everything, and it's just very light and refreshing. If you are a beginner or you've been juicing, you're going to definitely love all three of these juices because they all have pretty much the same ingredients, just different variation. And yes, you will. But as always, I love and miss my divines, and be sure to check out our videos on YouTube, and who knows what the next video will be. We're doing vlogs, doing juicing videos, doing smoothies. We're doing all kinds of things at Montauk Avenue. And as always, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, divines.